Nagkatapok ang pipila ka student leaders ug ilang mentors alang sa Future Changemakers Summit Philippines 2024. Lakip sa gisgutan ni GMA Integrated News Regional TV and Synergy Senior Vice President Oliver Victor B. Amoroso ang inclusivity sa panahon sa digital technology. Ani report. Gikan sa managlahing lugar sa nasod, nagkatapok ang mga student leader ug ilang mentors alang sa Future Changemakers Summit Philippines 2024 nga gipahigayon sa Makati City. Tumong niini nga tudluan sila nga mumugna ug magpatuman og mga proyektong makatabang sa ilang mga komunidad nga pondohan sa Kennedy Lugar Youth Exchange and Study Program.
To give them ideas how to implement their projects and in the long run to make it sustainable. Hopefully, in the next couple of years, forward, we hope that it will generate more interest, not only in certain alumni, but all over the country.
Ug kay importante ang panag-uban ug pagsinabtanay sa pagpatuman og proyekto, gihisgutan ni GMA Network Senior Vice President and Head for Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy, Oliver Victor B. Amoroso, ang mga pamaagi sa network aron mahimong inclusive pag-abot sa storytelling sa panahon sa digital technology ug ang importansya niini.
Kami po sa GMA Integrated News, inclusivity is not just a buzzword, no? It is a core value that influences our day-to-day operations. We strive to recognize and represent the diverse tapestry of voices, experiences, and perspectives within our communities. Inclusive storytelling allows our news teams to reach wider audiences. Mas malawak po. By embracing a variety of perspectives, we foster trust and enrich public discourse. Game changers in this digital age, where information can spread at unprecedented speeds, credible and inclusive journalism becomes even more vital.
Sumala kang Amoroso, importante ang paghatag og tingog sa local news.
It is imperative that stories from communities like mine, like yours, are told. Our regional arm, GMA Regional TV, plays an instrumental role in this mission. Our news teams hail from the very localities they report on. These regional narratives are not confined to local broadcast. They are integrated into our national platforms.
Gibutiag sab ni Amoroso ang panata kontra fake news nga gilusad sa Kapuso Network kauban ng industry leaders, media organizations, tech giants ug educational institutions nga labanan ang problema sa fake news ug sayop nga impormasyon.
Together, let us cultivate a culture of inclusivity in storytelling, one that ensures every individual is seen, heard, and valued. Let this moment spark meaningful conversations that we should pave the way for a future where journalism shines as a beacon of hope, understanding, and unity.
Ideas without action are useless. Desire to change is useless if you don't take action. Only actions lead to results.
I've learned a lot from this event, how we can engage the youth in terms of some grassroots problem. And with this learnings, I wanted to foster it more to giving back to my community.
Sara Hilomen Velasco, One Mindanao.